Fermac Risk banking subscription gives you access to 430 hours of video content from up to 14 courses. You can also get solved exercises in Jupyter Notebook, Python, R, and Excel, as well as databases, PDF presentations, and other materials. The videos are available in several languages: Spanish, English, Chinese, and French. This is our premium platform, where you can see the course schedule. We have some news like a welcome to subscribers and the new courses that we will be introducing, some corrections to the videos that subscribers provide us. Here you can see what the economic capital courses are like. There are 10 courses on credit risk, of which these that you can see at this moment, well, they have a duration of about 3 hours. Here, the courses on model risk for credit risk, stress testing in credit risk, operational risk and cyber risks, model risk, and quantification. And this that you can see here is a video where, well, you can see some slides discussing the topic of economic capital. What you see here are the files that we provide. For example, here in the economic capital course, you can find the exercises that are in Excel, Jupyter, and R. Python. This other IFRS 9 course has updated exercises from 2024, where you can see all the number of exercises here, according to the syllabus, which is also done in Jupyter, Excel, and R. This is an exercise in Jupyter, where you get the benefit of being able to introduce all this kind of explanation about, in this case, the modeling of the APD through the long short-term memory model and the Bayesian long short-term memory model. Additionally, you can see the code later on. The training that is done on neural networks. This be the code. Here training, and here's the result. That is to say, a graph that shows a gray area, which is the projection that can be seen of the PD, and an uncertainty interval. This is another exercise where we talk not only about the Cox regression model, which is certainly very important, but also about other models, also now done with machine learning or with artificial intelligence, and among them, for example, the random survival forest, which is an excellent model, as we will see. Here you can see the Cox regression, the code, the data we are using, and here at the bottom, the result of the coefficients and the concordance ratio, which in this case would be 66%. However, if we now use the random survival forest, we can see the code again and get an important result. These are 5 benefits that a banking entity would gain from a subscription. First, better risk management. Using artificial intelligence, generative artificial intelligence, and quantum computing to predict and reduce credit, market, and operational risks. Also to comply with regulations, stay up to date with Basel and FRS 9 and other key regulations. Save time and money. Use pre-built tools in Python, R, and Excel to reduce research time and avoid costly workshops. Learn by doing. Apply skills directly with practical Jupyter notebooks and Excel templates. And stay ahead. Access advanced analytics, quantum computing, and regular updates to stay innovative in the banking industry.